You said you guys got it.
We got it.
Look at that muscles, bro.
Alright, stop. Where's the clearance?
You're just sliding.
Against the box.
Hey, hit the e-brake.
No. We're probably gonna have to push it more. No, that's good. That's good right there. Perfect.
Won't you want to straighten it out?
Now we have enough room for light.
Oh, let's see.
Yeah, the light is like right underneath the hood.
All right. This is how
Honestly, we should take off the hood.
the damage assessment over here.
Take off the hood? Yeah. No, we got this thing right here. I know.
I think it would be easier to take off the hood, honestly.
No, there is. It's literally
No, just to work on it.
One of the bolts actually fell in here. No!
Is it right
found
there?
it. Yeah, bro!
Oh, you found it?
Yeah,
Can you get it?
It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Is
got
this the
that,
bolt
bro.
though? Yeah, dude.
It is.
Sick. Because I couldn't find it.
Nice.
And that's why I bought one of those magnetic things to get it. Yo,
Yeah.
that's sick. We changed the ride height.
Ride height from here.
Ride, no, not the ride height from here, but the soft and
It's
hard.
pretty.
Yeah, dampers. Adjustability.
This car is pretty.
Not really.
But we'll get it good.
I wanted to show you more of an up close of what the car looks like before I start getting worked on. And as you can see, the damage was all incurred in this area. So there's a little bit of frame. I just bought a new frame piece. So when you're replacing this piece right here, 2 pieces, and then yeah, that would be the first thing. So a lot of wires are cut. We're gonna be soldering those. Little bits here and there, fix up.
Professional solder in the house.
But should be easy. Car doesn't start yet, but as soon as we put this new pulley belt on serpentine, that should work. Hopefully, fingers crossed.
Is this belt good?
No, I bought a new belt. So in order to get to the belt, we gotta take this one off. This I already took off, loosened up.
We should just, you gotta remember how it looks like.
And I bought no, I don't, because I bought a Perrin. We're gonna be getting rid of
black
that.
or is it?
I already took it all apart, so.
The hoses. They have custom hoses. And
Yeah, I bought a custom inlet hose, and then I bought the Perrin actual cold air intake, so we'll be installing that as well.